So starting off here at the entrance, we've got a Dracaena, and right behind that we have a Monstera deliciosa that's being propagated. I'll show you guys some roots down there. So that's ready to be planted a while ago, but it's just chilling for now. And then right after that, over here, we've got a string of pearls, a Hoya Hindu robe, what is this? A heart-shaped philodendron. And we've got the wandering dude also being propagated. That seems to be the only way that I can keep that guy alive. And then down here we have a, what is this, silver satin philodendron? Or is this a silver sword? I have another one down here, but I'll put the correct name up on the, right here on the screen. I'm pretty sure it might be a silver sword philodendron. And then let's go back up here. Let's go in order. We've got another Monstera deliciosa up here. And this guy just came in the mail. It's a Thai constellation. And then over here, we've got a white knight philodendron. Another Monstera deliciosa over here. And here we've got another Hoya. I don't exactly remember the name. I'll put it up on the screen again. And then here we've got another Dracaena that's got a few dead leaves. We can rip these guys off. So that's what we've got so far up here. Down here we've got I think this is I don't know exactly what kind of bonsai tree this is, but this is the little bonsai that my friend got me, which I love. It lost all its leaves for fall, which is so funny, and then it grew them back. I'm not even joking. Maybe it's because I didn't water it, but it's so funny. And then over here we've got some pink princesses, which have some dead leaves. Let's not look at those. And let's see, over here we've got another pink princess and a Birkin philodendron. I really love my philodendrons, if you couldn't tell. That's mainly what this rack is. Over here we've got another pink princess, and I'm not entirely sure what this guy is back there. Here, I'll come around. Not too sure what kind of philodendron that is, but it's another philodendron. And then we've got this little cactus, which I just love. He's so cute. He never does anything, never grows, but he's so cute. Alright. I think this is something snow. A snow pothos. Something snow pothos. I'll put the name up if I can find it. And over here we've got another Monstera deliciosa that's just looking so delicious. And here we have a white wizard. Let's open this guy up. This is our white wizard named Gandalf, of course. Look how beautiful that is. Oh my goodness. It's so beautiful. And he lives in there. That's his home because he was too expensive. So that's where he lives for now, which is dusty. Ignore that. But here we've got another pink princess that is propagated in some really dirty water, but nonetheless. And then over here we've got a little baby begonia and then a neon pothos. So that is all we've got on this side of the room, which is looking splendid. And then we move over here and we've got another little rack of things. So this is another heart leaf philodendron, heart-shaped heart leaf. It's beautiful. And then we've got I think this is called a tetrasperma radifolia, something like that. Yeah, it's got a crazy name. But this guy's just growing wild. It's looking beautiful in here. I think I should maybe prop this up somehow. There we go. Looks a little bit more full that way. And then we move down here by our router. We've got a sad version of that. This is a good example if you'd like to propagate and make some new plants out of nodes. This is a great idea. See, there's one right there trying to grow. And another one right there. Next to that, we've got a golden pothos. It's not doing much golden stuff right now. It looks like a jade pothos right now, but I promise you it's golden. It's just lost all its golden leaves. But over here, oh, this guy, a snake plant, thrives on low light, and he just lives here. Yep, doesn't really require much. This guy, a Mican philodendron. It's beautiful. The leaves are velvet, literally velvety soft. They are just so cool. Next to that, down here, we've got this is a Hoya, and I know the name starts with a W, so I'll put it up on the screen. But yes, we've got this Hoya, and then right above that, got a little cute elephant there. Oh, we've got me. Hi. And then we've got another snake plant up here, and then what is this? The Cebu Blue. Here we have another golden pothos that's not doing too hot. See, it's supposed to be golden like this old leaf, but now it's just kind of turned into a jade, which is fine. Over here, this is my grow light that keeps the room just going. We have just a crazy monstera. Yeah, this guy's just huge. Takes over this entire corner. And he's not too pretty, but I'm going to figure this out. If you pan over here, we're back to where we started, kind of. And we have another Hoya Hindu rope right here. seems to be loving its life right there. And then we have some more propagations here. So this is a Brazil philodendron and just a golden pothos. And then look how long this guy is. I didn't even realize how long he was. Down here, this is a... It's not a tie. What is that? What's the other one? I've been waiting on the longest time for this guy to grow and give me something, and he hasn't. So who knows if he ever will. But over here, I can never remember what this little plant is called, but it's so cute. I love it. Over here we have, oh, I don't exactly know what kind of pothos this is, but just look at these leaves. They are just so cool. That one's a bit crunchy, but look at that. Wow. Wow. And then we have here some string of hearts all tangled up. This is, honestly, this just needs to be propagated and started all over. It's just all down here on the ground. Over here, let's pan out some. This is a bird of paradise that I've had for a little. I don't need to give explanations. Here we have a snake plant, not snake plant. What is this? This plant has grown into this little pot that belongs to this sad, sad plant. Here's a better. So yeah, it's just been growing in this plant's pot, and I think it's going to take over. And look at all of the babies that it had. I've been waiting for so long for this guy to have babies, and it finally did. I got this plant when it was probably this big, this tiny, and now it's a big mama. And down here we have, I think this is an enejoyed. It's a weird name. Enejoyed pothos. And then we have, I believe this is an actual jade pothos. I say that, but it's got some stuff going on there. Who knows? This guy too is just thriving down here. Ignore all these dead leaves. And down there we've got a little snake plant. So yeah.